Our bones are important for everyday life. Sometimes accidents happen, or we find ourselves needing surgery. Orthopedic physical therapists examine and treat patients of all ages with health problems related to the musculoskeletal system.
We work closely with our patients to come up with an individualized plan of care, which may include exercises, stretching, and individualized goals based on their specific needs. We also work as a team with a lot of support staff working to help our patients make the most progress as possible. We have patients with various injuries like hip or knee replacements, but can also help with very complex cases like spine surgery or revisions even when patients have paralysis.
At Highlands Rehabilitation, we give everybody a chance. Whether it's treating you as an inpatient or an outpatient, our orthopedic specialized physical therapist will make sure to get you back to better as soon as possible, improve your functionality, and increase your independence to get you back home and back to your life.